Hello and welcome to our program. Today we discuss the latest developments in the Middle East. George, Iran's Revolutionary Guard has made a strong claim about the Strait of Hormuz. What exactly did they say?
Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps says no ship will pass through the Strait of Hormuz without Iran's permission.
Why is the Strait of Hormuz considered so important globally?
It is one of the most critical oil routes in the world, with a large percentage of global oil shipments passing through it.
What are Iranian officials saying about the ongoing attacks on American and Israeli targets?
According to Iranian officials, attacks on American and Israeli targets are continuing.
What weapons were reportedly used in these operations?
Iran claims that advanced missiles and drones were used in the operations.
Which missile systems were mentioned by Iranian sources?
They mentioned the Ahmad and Ghadir Shakan missile systems.
Are there reports about drones being used as well?
Yes, reports say that 8 drones were used during the attacks.
Which Israeli cities were reportedly targeted?
Iranian sources claim that Tel Aviv and Eilat were targeted with missile strikes.
Was there any reported damage in Tel Aviv?
According to Iranian sources, a building in Tel Aviv was damaged during one of the attacks.
How did the news spread online?
A video of the incident was reportedly shared on social media by an Israeli activist.
Did Iranian media release any footage?
Yes, Iran's Tasnim news agency released a new video.
What does the video reportedly show?
The footage allegedly shows the 42nd wave of Iranian missiles being launched.
Has this information been independently verified?
No, the claims have not yet been fully verified by independent sources.
What has Israel said about these reports?
Israeli officials have presented different accounts regarding the situation.
Is there concern about the conflict spreading further?
Yes, analysts warn that tensions in the region could escalate further.
How could this situation affect global trade?
Any disruption in the Strait of Hormuz could impact global oil supplies and markets.
What are international leaders saying?
Many world leaders are calling for restraint and diplomatic dialogue.
Are there diplomatic efforts underway?
Several countries are urging negotiations to prevent further escalation.
How are people reacting online?
There is widespread discussion and concern across social media platforms.
What do analysts say about the military situation?
Analysts say both sides appear to be sending strong signals.
Is there a risk of a larger regional conflict?
Yes, experts warn the conflict could expand if tensions continue.
How important is diplomacy at this stage?
Diplomacy is critical to avoid further escalation.
What should the international community focus on now?
The focus should be on de-escalation and peaceful dialogue. We must pursue open communication to resolve our differences.
What could happen if tensions continue to rise?
It could lead to wider instability in the Middle East.
Finally, George, what is the key takeaway from these developments?
The situation remains highly tense and evolving. Many claims are still unverified, and the world is watching closely.